front of me is Poco F4, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions on this Poco device. First of all, go into settings. Now scroll down and choose privacy over here. Then you need to click on permission manager and tap on one of your device's features, like microphone. Then select one of your apps. I will go with Amazon Shopping and select one of those options. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with the first one, so when I go back, as you can see, Amazon Shopping just gained access to my device's microphone if I'm using this app. But you can always just click on any feature and then select app that you are interested in, like Gmail. Now click on see all Gmail permissions instead and manage all of them only for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!